showed that this is how you get the knobs off. Look.
Oh, using a cloth underneath it.
Holy shit.
I guess that keeps it from popping into the room because it's flopped over. Get a wrencher. There's probably a tool. Wiggle it, yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, that's grippy.
Okay.
It's a thing they don't care because it's
Apparently.
visible. That's how that usually works.
Jesus. Okay, well, it finally got done. Yay. What is this?
Noodle feet. God, it's so fucking close. Yeah, it's almost there. So it goes there or it goes there, so I have to figure out what's the difference here. Well, it's just the whole gap here. So I think more on this one, and then I think it'll kind of pop in.
God damn it.
Yeah, this one here.
2 more to go.
Oh, fucking goody.
Sorry. Thank you for helping me.
Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah. Nice and tight. Can't even really notice.
Perfect. I don't even care. Like,
And then this goes down.
It's all the learning experience. Sorry. I swear I looked this up. Shut them on. Well, they can't move around.
From the makers, I can't believe it's not gravy. It's noodles, just crumbs. Yeah, this is good. You clean that up. All right. Just keep handing them to me.
crunching.
These are connected together, which might be normal.
There's 5 switches. It's not 3 states, it's 5. You know that, right?
It's 5 states?
Yeah.
Oh.
So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Okay, now I gotta figure out what that matrix is then.
Yeah.
I'm always seeing those things.
I never understood what that thing did, even when it worked.
Oh fucking god.
What's it called?
It's called a 5-way strat switch. It has a row A and a row B. So A 1, 2, 3 is then 0, apparently, and then B0, 1, 2, 3. Still no answer here. Position. I guess it matrixes the inputs to outputs.
What's this?
Oh, there it is. All right. Do you see? So if it's in this position, these are shorted together. If it's in this position, these 3 are shorted together. If it's in this position, then these 2 are shorted together. Yeah?
Yes.
Position 4, 2, 1, 2, and this one over here. And that's the B sides.
Why would you need to do this?
Because the pickups are being put into combinations,
Okay.
like forward, reverse, or whatever they're doing. And that way the sound changes, and it's using 2 pickups at a time or 1. And that's what it's doing. It's flipping them in and out of the circuit. So complicated guitar stuff. Okay, I think this is A, and that's B.
Okay.
And then 0 is the commons in the middle here, I'm guessing. So like this is, in this mode, these 2
Okay.
is this A1 and A0. So that's A. And then B, that's going to be this one and the one next to it, which is here, B1 and B0.
Okay.
So now, let's see if we're getting on the right track here. So position 1, and that's position 1. This is position 2. Position 2, A0. So this one is up here. So the first 3 should all be shorted together. Yep. Yep. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. So these 3 are shorted together.
Mm-hmm.
And then this one, well, these might, if we go back to the first switch, then A0 and A1 are connected. And then this one, B0 and B1. So this one, yes. So this is AB. Let me get a Sharpie.
Yeah.
Let's do the third setting. Position 3, A2 and A0. Correct. Nothing else. And then B0 and B2. B0 and B2. Okay, correct. All right. And then position 4. 2, 3, and 0 are connected on both of these. 0, 2, 3, not 1. 0, 2, 3, not 1. And then the 5th position. 3 and 0. 0, 3, not these 2. 0. All right, the switch works. Switch matches this thing.
Okay. So there's nothing wrong with it.
It does not appear to be anything wrong with the switch. So if there's a problem, it's either one of the potentiometers or a wire somewhere is not making contact.
Just completely redesign the inside of the guitar.
Well, it's to make it easier to do with maintenance.
Yeah.
I mean, they want everything soldered because they don't want vibrations to like disconnect something, but
Yeah.
at the same time, it's like, what the fuck?
Okay, so it looks really nice, but most of the holes don't line up with the holes in the body of the guitar. Even though this is supposed to be the correct faceplate for an 11-hole classic Stratocaster, which is what this is. Mark, any idea why?
According to the Google,
What does Google say?
it says the Stratocaster pickguard holes not lining up is common with aftermarket parts, usually because different hole counts, 8 versus 11, or manufacturing variations, which it sounds like your case since you bought a Fender pickguard, you bought a Fender guitar, and they don't line up. But they themselves don't seem to have
A standard?
a standard or a good quality assurance in their when they make their cheaper guitars. So
Does the internet say that it's common?
it says it's very common and that the solution simply is to fill the old holes with toothpicks and glue, wait for it to dry, and then drill new holes with your new pickguard and move on.
Because the pickguard I got is like, it's the standard.
Just as you found your pickups were a different size, and Fender doesn't talk about that, but all the aftermarket ones do, is there are 3 sizes of pickups. There's 50, 52 millimeters, and 48. So you have to know what you're getting. But if you go on Fender and order the pickup guards, they don't tell you that it's anything but one size, which
Yes.
is kind of ridiculous because Fender obviously makes multiple size pickups.
I don't like it. So nothing fit. Long story short, we had to drill these out to make the pickups fit through the holes, and I have to drill the actual body of the guitar to get the faceplate to actually screw onto it properly. Sigh.